Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Diamond Cat 18. Today I am here with my best friend Alexia. Hello. And we will be playing some Royal High, and we will be going to classes as Momo. If you guys don't know who she is, she's this terrifying fictional character. Okay guys, I don't know what she's doing, but fictional. Okay guys, so we are just arriving and we will be flying to
We want to do a move in, so we can get the pink royal.
Yeah, I like the pink royal room. Okay. Now.
Let's fly.
Woo!
Let's fly.
Let's fly, my little baby. Sorry guys, I'm very weird in my videos. If you haven't seen my last video, go check it out to see how weird I was. Like, literally, I was so weird, you wouldn't even believe it. Okay, I'm better locking my door. Okay, so, there is a new evil face. There is a new evil face, so I should use that one.
What does it look like? Let's change our changing tab. One time we forgot to change in it.
Yeah,
and there's actually a girl in our room.
No, a guy literally walked in, I think. Or was it a girl? I need to watch the video again. Okay, so Momo's hair is straight down, but that one looks the closest, doesn't it? Now, let's see if Vampire. Does that look like Momo's hair?
Yeah.
Or Tino? Oh, that's a nice hair. Yeah. There we go. And then face. There is new makeup. I mean, full face. Here, let me try to find it. It's this one. There. But it has like... I would like it without the bandage. Would you like it without the bandage too? Yes! That's perfect, guys. Do not look at this, guys, because it might terrify you. So if you guys are watching, please, it's not my fault if you guys get nightmares. Do not tell your parents. Shh.
What does Momo ever wear? Like black dress or something?
I heard that she has chicken legs. Guys, yeah, Momo has... Let's just do that. Because we don't know what she wears. No. What? No. Guys, I think that we've done this before, but I don't remember what I wore last time. Oh, I missed English! Great. Now I'm going to have to run to the class. I'm probably going to terrify everyone in this game, guys. I'm not kidding. I'm going to...
Everyone get the English!
Ah! Where's English? Oh, I'm going to terrify this guy.
You scared him.
I'm going to say, I'm Momo.
You have to get the English.
Moo.
I'm
Momo. Where's English? Oh, lecture hall. There it is. Ow.
I fell. So one time in one of our videos, we seriously almost got hit. Like there's this guy thing.
Please say that class didn't already start. No! Oh, I'm gonna terrify this girl.
Oh my god, do we have an A?
Wait, I'm gonna see something. I'm gonna say, boo! Bio.
Oh, we have a bad one.
Boo!
Not listening. Not listening. We just the class is over.
It's coming out of class. And I'm gonna terrify everyone. Guys, I'm so weird in my videos.
Okay, get to class.
Right here will pop up, and then I can click go. That just looks terrifying. Imagine if you saw this walking up to you.
She's just like that.
Let me go. Okay, guys. What should I choose, a black computer or a red one to be blood? Blood. Blood. Why do I keep sitting beside this guy? I don't know why. Let's see.
He always uses the computer.
S C E L U C W P R S Q V. Okay, I'm just gonna put some random ones. R T G
You have to go to the other one.
Z S A F B. Okay, I better get this. Are you kidding? I stole her computer. Okay, guys. I'm not really fast at typing. I follow this Alex dude. I don't even know who he is. So he went over here. Where is my cutie? Cutie? Guys, I'm so weird. I'm so sorry. Is there any queef?
Let's go fly to the city.
Oh my god.
Let's
Oh
go
my
city
god.
flying. Crash into a tree. Crash into a tree.
There's literally a campfire. This is where Momo lives. This is my home. I don't even. Do you know?
Let's go city shopping. Let's go Royal High shopping.
Momo, Momo, Momo's gonna kill you.
Look, no one has ever been here before. I know it.
Oh, look at me diamonds.
I'm gonna get my diamonds.
So I take over the home. Come on, let me fly. Let's dress up in the air. Oh my god, you can a skirt. I only have enough for this one. Should I get the real life mermaid? I want the cottage princess though, so I have to save up 5,000. No problem, right? Okay, guys. I think that this might be enough trolling. Oh, and there's a beautiful diamond. Really? One. I want to go to one of the balconies and see if I can actually sneak in. And see, I wonder if this one is mine. Because if it is, then that would be hilarious. There's always a chance. Guys, this video has literally been 8 minutes long. Like, I'm literally not kidding. The video has literally been 8 minutes long, see? Okay, guys, I think that we might
No, it's been 9 minutes now.
I think that we might end the video here.
Sorry, let's go to the okay, let's just stand right in front of the camera like. Bye!
Okay, guys,
press the like button, please.
Please subscribe, press the like button, comment down below what I should do next, as I said in the beginning, and please, subscribe and turn post notifications on. Thank you so much. Bye. I love you all. Bye.